Have you ever wondered if artificial intelligence is truly creative or if it's just copying what already exists? It's a big question, and the answer isn't as black and white as you might think. So let's break it down, using some guidance from the MIT Sloan Management Review. First, not all AI is the same. There are a few main types, and each one's got its own strengths. Let's start with what's called predictive AI. This includes classic machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning is kind of like a super-powered spreadsheet analyst. It scans through mountains of historical data, finds patterns, and helps make predictions. Things like, will this customer churn? Or is this loan risky? It's fast, interpretable, and honestly, if your data lives in spreadsheets and databases, this is where machine learning shines. It's less complicated to maintain too. Then there's deep learning. This is where things get wild neural networks that can look at unstructured data like images, audio, or text. Think about your phone unlocking with your face, or a system that can listen and transcribe speech. Deep learning powers all that, and if you have a mix of data, maybe scans and text reports together, deep learning can handle that blend too. Now the big headline these days, generative AI or Gen AI, this is the tech behind chatbots that sound almost human image generators that create photorealistic art and code generators that whip up entire programs in seconds. Gen AI doesn't just analyze or predict, it creates. New text, images, music, even entire video clips. But here's the catch, Gen AI is built on deep learning. And even the most creative-seeming AIs are remixing patterns learned from massive datasets. So, is it copying or creating? The answer is both. Gen AI can generate fresh content, but it's rooted in what it's seen before, just like how every artist is influenced by art they've studied. So when should you use which? It really comes down to your business problem. If you need to forecast sales or spot fraud in structured data, predictive AI is your friend. If you want to create marketing copy, generate images, or have a chatbot talk to customers, that's Gen AI's sweet spot. But the most exciting part? These worlds are merging. Gen AI can now help train predictive models by generating synthetic data. And as open-source AI models get better and cheaper, you can mix and match their strengths like never before. At the end of the day, AI can copy, and it can create. But the real magic happens when you pick the right tool for the right job, and maybe when you let them work together. That's where real innovation lives. Thanks for tuning in. If this helped clear things up, hit like and let me know in the comments how you're thinking about AI in your own work. See you in the next one.